Hi guys, my name is Ajish and I have been using Affinity Studio for a while. I would really recommend you guys to try this application. It's now part of Canva and it's absolutely free. So don't hesitate guys, go and download it and use it. I would like to just show you the workflow first. Affinity opens, it shows this welcome screen. I don't know if there is a way around to, disable this, but it's okay. You just need to close this. And so if you are from the Adobe background, you know that vector software is the Illustrator. So Illustrator would be vector and Photoshop will be pixel and InDesign would be layout. Yeah, so we got all three here free of cost, right? Now how to get started? If you want to create a custom studio, these are called studios here. So you can go here, you can enable other studios or you can create your own studio. I'll be showing you how to create your own studio. Before that, I would like to introduce to you my studio, which I have created. So right now there is no custom studio. I can just create a studio. I can just name it Sag Studio. I can I can put any image over here or any icon. Okay, so there is this option called clone from, because these are the main studios and you need to customize any of these. So maybe you are more used to vector design tools. If you are into layout, you can start with layout and customize it. And so I'm going to clone from vector and I'm going to choose a color like, okay, anything is fine, some icons, anything. Okay, just hit create. Now you can see this Sag Studio just came up. Okay, now all these tools are disabled. So if I choose new and create document, I have all these tools over here, right? Vector, pixel, layout, and this is the same thing as vector because I now need to customize this. But don't worry guys, I already created my studio. Now I'm going to import it. Right click, import. So my studio is over here. Okay, so this is my custom studio called Sag Creative, and I got all the essential tools I need to create a design. So you can almost create like, I don't know, maybe 90% of your work can be done with these tools. And also if you need some extra tools, you can just switch to pixel, vector, or layout. But the useful tools for your daily work stays here. Now these tools are mostly vector, and here I have some tools related to pixel. Like if I'm placing a photo in this design, I may need to take care of the background or remove it and edit it a little bit. So I have some tools for that. I just wanted to give you an idea of my workspace. And here at the right side, you see I have also created this layer, which is pretty long. Layer and character and paragraph and swatches. There is colors, but there is something called Studio Palette, where as a colorblind designer, I have some really prepared swatches, like different shades of each color and mostly useful colors. I find green and yellow a little difficult, and also red and brown, so I have named all this. With just importing this studio, you can get all this as same as my workspace. Anyone is interested, please comment with your email address so I can send you the studio. Thank you so much.